Yeah, miss, who you think I go win the election?
What time is it? 1 p.m. One Andrew Wellness, one Norman Dunn, roads, infrastructure, everything. 1 p.m. straight, shower labor rights.
Alright, thank you for your time. Yes, Browning, who you think I go win the election?
Mark Wolin,
And why you say that?
because I know that he's going to win. I know I have the feeling.
You're confident.
Yes, I have confidence in it.
And why you so confident?
Well, me just know say Mark will win.
You just know.
Right.
Anybody you like to big up?
Yes, I would like to pick up Mark Wolin and Chris Bone.
Yeah.
That's it.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Pick up all the PNP them.
Alright. Yes, miss, who you think I go win the election?
Andrew,
And why you say that?
Andrew the best prime minister. 18 years, we don't see what they do. And you can see the improvement where Andrew wants to perform in the country.
Alright, thank you for your time. Who you think should win the
There's no
election?
should about that. It must be Andrew Wallace. It must be Andrew Wallace. Andrew Wallace is the greatest prime minister from Bustamante. He bypass Siaga and bypass like a man, the Mandlis them. And then bypass Siaga and then come bypass Bruce Golden, who is ours. And then come number one because of him fix the country. Ladies and gentlemen who are listening. At the first, you see so much ship coming to Jamaica, carrying tourists, fixed place for tourists here. The first, you see so much plane coming to Jamaica, carrying tourists, fixed place for tourists here. The first, you see so much road building in Jamaica, fit the whole country of road under Andrew's Wellness. The first, so much hospital fix in Jamaica under Andrew's Wellness. The first, so much clinic fix in Jamaica under Andrew Wellness. The first, so much police station fix under Andrew Wellness. So tell me now, what in life are anything more better we could have looked for? Michael man right there, and when he go to Cuba, we bury boy and them, and then decide say problem. He say he couldn't work, and when Michael when Castro give him a blind, he never taking life, but then come back to Jamaica. And when he come back to Jamaica, how long bury boy live? Not even a week, because he got deliberate turn over the table at Cuba before the honor with Michael Manley.
Alright, Elder, we understand. Thank you for your time.
Enough respect, man.
Alright. Today we there with
Peter.
Alright, Mr. Peter, who you think I go win the election?
Well, everybody knows at 1 p.m. time, you know. 1 p.m. No, 2, at 1 p.m. Isn't it? So, in my constituency, Dr. don't win this place here. No job. When I cap. You hear me say? A whole heap of things in the for the young youth, them like work program, work. Isn't it? But no people now go talk because them bias. But we all know, I don't do it, man.
Anybody like to big up?
Well, big up God, that's the first thing, isn't me? And big up myself. Self for the greatest, isn't me? Well, big up all Jamaica, big up everybody in the community, big up all the youth, them want to try to uplift themselves, uplift everything with the right, isn't me? And all of us say big up yourself to me, G, isn't me? We don't know you already.
Alright. Respect, thank you for your time. It's a tape. Yeah, me general, who you think I go win the election?
Thanks to the show us straight, show up to win. Must have to win. Yeah, so we not think. We know that Labour have to win.
You know.
Put in the work properly, so them have to win. That's why I have
You're confident?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Sure. Anybody you like to big up?
Yeah, big up all of my friends, all of my show friends, all my PNP friends, but you don't know. Show us straight, Mr. Dunn are the best.
Alright, miss. Who you think will win the election?
Andrew,
And why you say that?
because I do good. Best government that's for Jamaica. Best government for Jamaica, Andrew.
Alright, thank you for your time. You hear that? Yeah, my general, who you feel like should win the national election?
PNP.
And why you say that?
PNP are better government.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Alright, sir.
Yeah. MG, how you think I go win the election?
Nobody but Andrew.
And why you say that?
From me born till now, I'm a 60-year-old right now. From me born till now, I first Prime Minister never say come to Jamaica and make Jamaica look like this. No, I take back that attack straight. Nobody else ever good like him. Nobody.
Anybody you like to big up?
Well, I big up the Cleveland family, you know. All about. Big up the Cleveland family, backside born, Clarendon, right through. St. Mary. Yeah. I eat that.
Alright, thank you for your time. Yeah, my general, who you think are going to win the election?
Nanja,
You sure?
but must.
And why him to win?
I'm my best Prime Minister in the world.
Anybody you like to big up?
I'm Mr. Wallace and Mr. Dunn, me big up, you know. And big up yourself, too. Yeah, I'm blessed up here.
Alright, thank you for your time. Yeah, my G, how you think are going to win the election?
One Norman done, 1 p.m. Andrew Honest. Show out to the world. Third term.
You sure?
Yeah, man. Victory all the way. Third term. 1 p.m.
Alright, thank you for your time. Who you think should win the election?
The PNP.
And why you say that?
All right. To the crisis of what's going on. The people tired. And if you don't mind sharp and rebellion, some people say time come and time come for everything. Because we are African, you know. We are real African, you know. We don't fear slavery, you know. You see that and you know that everyone we are real African. We're not descendant, we are African, born Ethiopian. But we come here, we mother come here and we born here. So we still African. So we fight the African progress. That me say as a real black man. Big up for myself.
Anybody you like to big up?
Big up the whole world, you know. And big up Chris Brown, you know. He works for him and perform, you know. Yeah, man. And big up all Caribbean country who fight for the truth, all right. Blessed, my brother.
Alright, thank you for your time. Today we there with
One slick god man, you know we don't play SDL to the ICK right away.
Mr. Slick, who you think are going to win the next election?
Well, in regards over in general, I mean Andrew Wallace, but when I talk about constituency, you know, Dr. Norman done Southeast St. Mary, yeah, hear me?
And why you say that?
Well, I mean, him been a put in the work, you know what I mean? And a joke thing and a capping. Years we are growing up, you see me? Years we there for. And we never see PNP do nothing yet. Me in general, I don't know about nobody else. I've never seen any changes. You see me? No improvement. Everything was the same until Dr. Norman done come in our business. You see me? Yeah, man.
Today we there with
More than having that town.
what you say, more never less.
Yeah, man. One surgery youth.
Alright, in your opinion, who you think should win the election?
Dr. Norman done, man.
Why you say that?
You see what things are going on for the country, man. Look for our prosperity. Remember me a boy. And Dr. Green around the place. And you see all them places where you see them the drain and so on, the road them all the fountain down so. That kind of a sandbed that man. I'm told me see doctor don't come and fix up the place and go on and you see me a scheme where me a boy a riverbed that and doctor don't come fix that. You see me? So I must JLP maybe say because JLP be the country. You understand? And more people get more work. You understand? And people now suffer again like one time. People now suffer but not like one time. The employment rate where we see Andrew find something for give people. You must have a vote for JLP. You see me? Doctor don't come and open for place. You see me? And doctor is a man with born and bred here. You understand? So we have to vote for Jamaica Labour Party. One Dr. Dunn, one Andrew Wellness, one Brogard.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Yeah.
General, what you think say who you think would win the election?
PNP win this blood clot. We need change.
What make you say that?
Fuck all of them right now. We need change. Good road. This is what one. The police are not even work. They need to go blood clot, teach people properly. Run the road. See what so what one? Block up. Fuck that. We need change. Change.
Anybody like to big up?
Nah, big up no bumbo body. Right now we need change. Nobody. None of them. We need change. Change we need. Anybody coming in and fuck themselves, we are take them out again.
Alright, so thank you for your time.
None of them can test Norman.
Norman I best. The best in Southeast St. Mary. One Norman, one Brogard, 1 PM. Show up for life.
Alright. Yeah, my general, who you think will win the election?
Why? You know, say, you know, the liberal run thing do. You know, say, more the party win and Jonas and done for win this, yeah, election.
What make you say that?
Why? You know, that my own run things forward here. Forward there, my own run things, you know. I mean, know, say this now, for them one, in our cancel. For them one cancel. In our, my one for win, more this election for win for us. And when next month come, a voting time, argument done.